welcome back to the session. In this session, we are going to learn about the group of nouns and the articles there, the, and das. So this is going to help you to understand two types of articles that we have in German and how we can use those. About this language, you know that there are total 4 cases, but right now we are just going to learn about the 1 case and 3 genders. Every gender or every noun in German have a gender, and you have to put that because everything in German takes an article, whether it's a masculine, feminine, neutral or plural. Here we have every noun starts with a capital letter and has a gender, divided in 3 parts: male, female and neutral. First of all, we are going to talk about the articles. How many type of articles do we have? So we have 2 types of articles, bestimmten and unbestimmten. Bestimmt is the and unbestimmt is a. So likewise in English we have the articles but not 3. We have 2. We don't have an in German. So first of all, we are going to talk about the bestimmt and the definite articles. These are used when talking about specific noun, like the English the German definite articles are their masculine, neutral and feminine. These all means the. Here we have masculine in German called as männlich, feminine weiblich, neutral is neutral and plural is plural. You can see masculine takes der, die, das, die, but all has the same meaning, the. We are going to see the masculine, what all things cover in this. So all the nouns for men including professions are mostly masculine. For example, their Bruder. Now Bruder is brother, so obviously their article. Male doctor, their Arzt. Apart from this, we also have some of the noun endings like or, ling, ig, ner. So that means all the nouns which take these endings will take the masculine gender. For example, their Lehrling ending with ling, their Schaffner ending with er, their Circus that is ending with us. We can also take their Tourismus, so asmus. We can also say their monitor ending with or. All the seasons, days of the week, months, compass direction and the other things comes under the masculine gender. Their Herbst, their Juli, their Montag, their Schuden. So all these are the directions, seasons or the months. The name of the car brands are masculine. Their Audi, their BMW and their Mercedes. Yeah. So almost your 2/3 of your total nouns take the masculine gender. Their Mann, their Ball, their Baum, their Fluss, their Rucksack, their Vogel. Now it's not necessary that every time it is as per the ending. Some you have to understand with the meaning also. All the male people, seasons of the year, days, months, types of precipitations like their Regen, their Schnee, their Hagel, nouns ending with ling, nouns that ends with ich, ig and the verbs without en. So laufens that change their lauf, their sits like this. Here are some of the things given here, which is mix of your masculine and the feminine gender out of your room itself, which you can find it out. So if you want to learn these genders, better to start understanding the gender around you. Then comes feminine. Same thing, all the nouns ends with the these endings is your feminine gender, including the professions, mostly like the Mutter, the Ersten and these endings. Numbers and the names of the plane, ship and trees are mostly feminine. Die Zwei, the Boeing, the Titanic, the Eiche, like this. Nouns from other language that you have these endings are mostly the feminine. Okay, so here we have the Schokolade, the Musik, the Kultur, the Universität, all these are feminine. The names of the motorcycles brands are feminine, the Harley Davidson, the Yamaha, and when talking about motorcycle, only the BMW. Feminine, here we have some words: die Frau, die Ente, die Woche, die Uhr, die Kamera, die Straße. Again, some of these things given, numbers used as noun, nouns ending with ung, shaft, ion, height, kite, all these are the feminine. For neutral, all the nouns endings are mostly neutral, chen, ial. Let's see the example directly. Das Instrument ending with ment, das Auto, das Ergebnis, das Museum. Nouns that are the diminutives. Diminutives means words for cute or small thing. So those also, like Briochen, Kaninchen, the little rabbit, the little bread roll. So like this. All the names, name of a color are neutral, like das Rot, das Red, das Blau. So these things. Names of metals: Messing, Aluminium, Kupfer. Most fraction are neutral: Drittel, Viertel. And the adjectives: das Schreiben, das Böse, like this. So das Kind, das Buch, das Auto, das Rad. Again, these are some of the endings given for the neutral, which you can just take a look. Then comes the plural. So all your masculine, feminine, neutral, when changed to plural, will take the article the only. All these about the same thing, like how you can remember these plural nouns. Basically, you just have to remember masculine, feminine, neutral. Plural, all are the only. Here you have some plural nouns given, which you can take a look, and you can see das Auto, so the autos. So which of these take s at the end, which take e at the end. So these are some of the rules for plural nouns given. So you can just take a look. Now coming to the unbestimmt article. Unbestimmt, masculine ein, neutral ein, feminine eine. And because we are talking about a, so there is no plural. Nothing in the plural case. Rules will remain same for this gender, unbestimmt as well. And you just have to go through with all these rules and understand the article part. See you in the next video.